In this episode, you will learn new words and idioms naturally, so you can use them in your real life every day.
Just listen, relax, and enjoy the conversation.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Snack English. Sarah, I have a confession. I am very tired today.
You look tired, Adam. Your eyes are red. Did you sleep?
I slept a little bit, but you know me. I am a night owl.
A night owl? Wait, an owl is a bird. Are you a bird, Adam?
No, Sarah. It is an idiom. A night owl is a person who likes the night, a person who stays awake late.
Ah, I understand. So my brother is a night owl. He plays video games until 3 a.m.
Exactly. I am a night owl. Last night, I was awake at 2 a.m.
Doing what?
I was reading, but suddenly my stomach made a huge noise.
Oh no.
I realized I was starving.
Starving? Is that a new dance?
No, Sarah. Starving means very, very hungry.
Ah, okay. Like when I skip lunch?
Yes, if you don't eat all day, at 5 p.m., you are starving.
I get it. I am starving. I need a burger right now.
Perfect. So I was starving. I couldn't read. I needed food immediately.
But the studio kitchen is locked at night, right?
Yes, and Mr. Barnaby, the security guard, is always there. Let's check your understanding. Here is a hard question. Why is Adam tired today? The answer is because he is a night owl and stayed awake late. Question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what implies that Adam was starving? A, he was thirsty. B, he was very hungry. Write A or B.
Section 2. I opened the door of my room. The hallway was dark.
And silent?
Very silent. I couldn't walk normally. Mr. Barnaby would hear me.
So what did you do?
I had to tiptoe.
Tiptoe? What is that? Did you hurt your toe?
No. Tiptoe means to walk on your toes very quietly, like a cat.
Ah, I do that when I come home late. I take off my shoes and I tiptoe to my room.
Exactly. So I tiptoed past the security desk. Finally, I arrived at the kitchen.
Did you turn on the light?
No, too dangerous. I walked in the dark to the fridge.
The fridge? You mean the bridge?
No, the fridge. It is short for refrigerator, the machine for cold food.
Oh, the fridge. Of course, we put milk and eggs in the fridge.
Yes, I opened the fridge very slowly.
That is a scary sound.
I froze, but Mr. Barnaby didn't wake up. Hard question. Why didn't Adam turn on the kitchen light? The answer is because he didn't want the security guard to see him. Question for you.
Complete this sentence in the comments. Adam walked quietly on his toes. He had to tiptoe, dance.
Section 3.
So, Adam, you're looking inside the fridge. What did you find?
Usually it's empty, but last night I saw a box. It was my leftovers from lunch.
Leftovers? What does left and over mean here?
Leftovers means the food from yesterday, the food you didn't finish.
Ah, like when I make too much pasta?
Yes, you put the pasta in the fridge. That is leftovers.
Okay, I'm eating pizza leftovers for breakfast.
Exactly. I found cold pizza leftovers.
Did you heat it up?
No, the microwave is loud. I ate it cold, standing in the dark.
Was it good?
It was delicious, but after I finished, I felt guilty.
Guilty, is that a happy feeling?
No, guilty means I felt bad because I did something wrong.
Why?
Because eating pizza at 2 a.m. is unhealthy, and I was hiding.
I understand. I feel guilty when I don't call my mother.
Yes, that bad feeling in your heart, that is guilt. So I finished the pizza. I had tomato sauce on my face. I closed the fridge. Click.
And then,
Suddenly, flash, a bright light hit my face.
oh no,
Mr. Barnaby shouted, "Who is there?"
you caught him.
Yes, I was caught red-handed.
Caught red-handed, but Adam, your hands were not red.
No, Sarah, it is an idiom. It means he saw me doing the bad action. He saw me in the moment.
Ah, like a child stealing a cookie.
Exactly. If the mom sees the child holding the cookie, he is caught red-handed.
So Mr. Barnaby saw you with the pizza box.
Yes, I couldn't lie. I was holding the box. I was caught red-handed.
What did he say?
He looked at me. He laughed. He said, "Go to sleep, Adam."
You were lucky.
I was, but I will never do it again. Final questions. Hard question. How did Mr. Barnaby know Adam was in the kitchen? The answer is, he probably heard the fridge door or saw Adam moving.
Question for you. Adam was caught doing the action. The idiom is caught. Tell us in the comments.
Tomorrow, we'll use English in a new, real situation. Watch the next episode. Thank you for listening, everyone.
See you next time.